Open Terminal from the Spotlight search on Mac and type terminal and press return. And enter the command for clear cache on your Mac. We have 2 or more command that I will perform in this video tutorial. DNS Cache Reset using Responder command. Type. Hit the return button to execute. And enter a passcode to finally execute. Check the video description to know the Reset DNS Cache command. Don't miss to subscribe this channel and like, comment and share.